How's it going, guys? It's Adam here, and in today's video we're going to be doing a very quick unboxing of the USB-C Apple Pencil for the iPad 10th generation that I recently got. By the way, guys, the review for the iPad 10th generation will be coming out very soon, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, let's go ahead with this unboxing. So you can see right here, there's a pull tab, so that's all you do. Just take this off, you open this up. Right, like this. You take it out like so. There you go. So as you can see, it says designed by Apple in California, right there. It's a very small package. And here we go. So let's see what's going on here. So it says designed by Apple in California. And we get a lot of pamphlets that honestly aren't that important. What is important is this Apple Pencil. So let's move everything to the side here. Let's put the box right here though. Here we go, here's the pencil. And so all you have to do is just open it up like so, I believe. And here we go, here is the pencil. So let's grab the iPad right now. All right, guys, so I just updated to iOS 17.2 on this iPad. It was on 17.0.3, and when I did try to connect it, it wasn't really working, and so now it should just pair. Not sure. Apparently it should. Oh, there we go. Continue. Try scribble. Okay, let's see. Hello. Terrible, but yeah, you get that. Oh, now it like just fully works. So let's just try, as an example, let's try going onto the pages and let's try writing something like actually. Okay, so, and I'm pretty sure now we could just disconnect this. It's just a little bit easier for writing. Yeah, there we go. And then blank. There we go. And we could just be like, oh, wait. Okay. Let's see. So, okay. Be like, hello. This is a test. Oh, and you can also convert to text. So if you're like, hello. Hero. Okay. Hello. My text is not the best, as you could tell, but yeah. So obviously this is pretty a quick example, you know, of the Apple Pencil and its functionality. And I haven't used it too much, so I'm not sure exactly the you know, I know if you write it with more hardness, then it'll show more, and if you write it with like lighter, in a lighter way, then it'll show less. But yeah, that's basically the Apple Pencil USB-C. So you can see right here, it's the USB-C, and you just plug it in and then it pairs. So yeah, anyways guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please let me know. Share this with your friends or whoever. See you guys later.